This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Chock the front wheel diagonally opposite to the rear wheel being removed. Using the special anti-theft nut adapter where necessary, slacken each of the wheel retaining nuts half a turn. Position the jack head under the reinforced section of the rear door sill flange and raise the vehicle until the wheel is clear of the ground. Place an axle stand under the reinforced section of the door sill flange and remove the jack. Fully unscrew the retaining nuts and remove the road wheel. Position a trolley jack under the coil spring area of the rear lower arm to keep the coil spring in compression. Unscrew and remove the shock absorber lower mounting bolt. Unscrew and remove the upper mounting nuts and withdraw the shock absorber from beneath the vehicle. Manoeuvre the shock absorber into place. Locate the upper mounting over the studs, then refit the nuts and tighten them to the specified torque. Align the lower end of the shock absorber with the hub carrier, then insert the lower mounting bolt and tighten it lightly. Locate the wheel over the studs on the hub, then refit and lightly tighten the retaining nuts. Remove the axle stand and lower the vehicle to the ground. Tighten the road wheel nuts to the specified torque and remove the wheel chocks. With the weight of the vehicle back on its wheels, tighten the shock absorber lower mounting bolt to the specified torque.